Hi, I slow cook my tomato. I pick out some green, some yellow. I slow cook until the water evaporates. Then I eat with my food, with rice and grilled meat. I slow cook in the wok. Right now, still liquidy. I just take it in the garden, so in the wok. And slow cook until the water is gone. And just put in the container. Then put some chili pepper and chopped an onion. Throw it in when it's really evaporate the water. I'm going to take you like a 20-30 minutes to when the water really disappears. The juice of the tomato. You have to cook like a 20-30 minutes until really dry and really disappear on the juice. Alright? And just show you how I'm going to make my food. How do you feel how do you craving for? Do what your heart tell you how you're craving for. Okay. This is I brought outside in the fire, and now I'm gonna show you. This is the pork. This is a country style pork. I just sawed it and I grilled right here. Do you think it look good? I put that wood and burn all the wood that now is left is the charcoal. Yeah, I like to smell burn. I like to smell of the wood. Tastes really delicious. Now my meat is ready. I just marinate with salt and black pepper. That's how I like to marinate my meat. right. And my meat is done. That's how it looks. What do you think? It looks delicious. You grill with the wood, oak wood. Really tasty. Yummy. Then I'm gonna cook my tomato, eat with, and long bean, eat with this. I just cooked this for dinner, so I just want to show you guys how I cook for dinner. Alright, I'll see you next video. Bye bye.